Honourable Speaker, I rise to support my cut motions and oppose the demands. First, I will speak about transport, which is demand number 13. We have rent a bike and rent a car. While there's a clamour about rent a bike and rent a car, especially rent a car because a lot of accidents are taking place. And I know that there are people, especially the tourists who are bringing their vehicles or using rent a car, are driving very rashly.
Honorable, 1 minute. I would like to please press the button, because if you don't press the button, who have moved the cut motion and who want to speak, I will not allow to speak after that. Please press the button, we'll know and we'll divide the time accordingly. It looks like then we will have 1 hour, you will have 2 hours, he will have 1 hour, whoever pressed. So please press the buttons. Please press the button. There is no customs here. This is only chair. So please press the buttons who want to speak. Which rule of point of order? Please place your rule. Before putting the order, please say the rule.
90. Please see.
What is that?
Please check. Under that rule, I am moving a point of order.
Yeah, okay.
That
What is
please keep some ice. Like Honorable Chief Minister said that he puts ice. You should have ice on your head when you are presiding over this house. Please. Thank you, Speaker sir. Dev Barakarum.
Speaker sir.